All right, we are working on using doubles and near doubles. Let's do our rhyme. 0 plus 0 equals 0. Oh, 1 plus 1 equals 2. Ew, 2 plus 2 equals 4. More, 3 plus 3 equals 6. Kicks, kick that leg up. 4 plus 4 equals 8. That's great. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Again, 6 plus 6 equals 12. That's swell. 7 plus 7 equals 14. Let's lean. 8 plus 8 equals 16. Know what I mean? 9 plus 9 equals 18. Jelly bean. 10 plus 10 equals 20. That's plenty. We are using doubles and near doubles. When we are using doubles, we know that we are adding the same number 2 times to get to the whole or the total, right? And when we're talking about near doubles, it means we are adding 2 numbers that are near each other on the number line. So if I have 2 and 3, I can add 2 plus 2 and then add 1 more, right? Or I can do 3 plus 3 and take 1 away. And that will get me to the same whole or the same total. So those are just 2 different ways that we can think about that. If we have 2 plus 3, they have a picture over here of 2 and 3. But when I put them and line them up together, I can see that I have 2 and 2, right? So that's what I'm seeing here is 2 and 2. And then it adds 1 more, right? So 2 plus 3 equals 5, right? Let's do a rhyme though, 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 equals 4. More, 4 and 1 more. 4, 5. We're still getting the same total of 5. 5 books. Now, if they did 3 plus 3, that means I would have to have another block right here, right? So I'd have 3 and 3 more, and then take away the one that shouldn't be there, and I'm still going to get a total of 5. Let's go to number 2. It says there are 4 birds. More birds join them. So there's 4, and then more come. We don't know how many more, so we're going to make that line to represent the number that we do not know, okay? So that's the number that we do not know. So 4 plus more, and then we have a total of 8 birds at the end. 4 plus blank equals 8. Do we know that rhyme? Let's do an addition problem and draw, or actually let's label our part in our whole, right? We know that this is a plus symbol. Whenever I see a plus symbol, that means everything around it has to be a part. And so I know that 4 is a part, and I'm going to add another part to get to the whole or the total. So I know that over here, the number 8 is my total, and I can count on 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 plus 4 equals 8. That's great. Great job. Let's go to number 3. Nick has 5 sun stickers. He has 5 moon stickers. How many does Nick have in all? Ooh, there's my words, my special words that tell me that I'm going to put 2 groups together, in all. Okay, so 5 plus 5. Ooh, let's do the rhyme. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Again, that's it. 5, we have to draw our evidence, right? 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? And if I put a box around it, I can see, and especially if they're lined up, I can see that that is a double. 5 and 5 more equals 10. Let's move over to page 50. And then grab our pen. All right. So number 4 says 3 black markers and 4 brown markers. Ooh, I have 3 and 4. How many markers in all? That means I want to put those two together. Remember that my numbers 3 and 4 are near numbers. So they are right next to each other on the number line. So that means I can do 3 plus 3 and add 1 more, getting my total. Or I can add my 4 because they are near numbers. I could do 4 plus 4 equals, oops, 4 plus 4 minus 1 equals blank, right? So let's try this out. If we have 3 and 4, I'm going to get a different color. I'm going to draw 3, 1, 2, 3, and then I'm going to draw 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. I like to look at it as 3 plus 3. Adding is a lot easier than subtracting in my brain. But if you like to challenge yourself, you could do 4 and then 4 up here and then take that 1 away. And you'll still get the same answer. What is 3 plus 3? 3 plus 3 equals 6. Kicks. Kick that leg out. And 1 more, 6. Count on 1 more equals 7. Good. Number 5. 2 trees are tall, 3 trees are short. How many trees in all? 2 and 3. In all means we're putting them together. So we can add 2 plus 2 for our doubles, or we could do 3 plus 3 for our doubles. Remember, when we're doing taking the smaller number, 2 plus 2, we'll add 1 more. Or if we take the greater number, 3 plus 3, we'll take 1 away, and we'll still get that same total, okay? So I'm going to draw my picture of 2 and 3 more, okay? Again, I like to look at the addition one. 2 plus 2 equals 4 more, and count on 1 more is 5. So 2 plus 3 equals 5. Number 6, Maria has 4 pennies. She finds 5 more pennies. How many pennies does she have now? Ooh, question mark. We're wanting to know something that we do not know yet. Okay? Maria has 4 pennies. 4. She finds 5 more. Ooh, so we have 4, and we're going to get 5 more, right? Come on. There we go. And we're going to look for the total. Okay, so I'm going to draw 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm going to draw 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just looking at that, I know I can, oops. Just looking at that, I know that I can box up a double and then put those together. That's just simpler for me in my brain. 4 plus 4 equals 8. That's great. And then count that extra 1 equals 9. So 4 plus 5 equals 9. Let's count backwards from 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.